Hello guys, and today I am here with this Lego puzzle box, and I'm also here with BrickYorkMan. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Both can hear me.
So here we have this puzzle box here. It's pretty cool. And the first step is you have to lift this up like that. And then you have this. What you have to do is you have to slide this out like that, and this like that. Make sure they're all the way. Let it focus or like that. Oops. And then take this up. And then you have this piece in here. So now, all you have to do, you have to turn this around. Then there's this. Put this in here. And you get money. First it was a little computer keyboard, but not anymore. Oops. That always breaks, but yep. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Bye.